Viewers, the NDA Government 3.0 is coming very soon and the process of government formation is in full swing. The NDA Parliamentary Party meeting will be held at 11 a.m. in the Central Hall of the Old Parliament House, where NDA members of Parliament will elect Narendra Modi as their leader. Narendra Modi will also be addressing them during this meeting. Apart from the newly elected MPs of the winning alliances parties, Rajya Sabha MPs of all NDA constituents will also be present in this meeting. Chief Ministers, Deputy Chief Ministers of state ruled by the BJP and the NDA constituents will be present also. Additionally, floor leaders of the Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Councils of the states ruled by the BJP and NDA constituents will participate in the meeting too. After Narendra Modi is elected the leader in the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting, the NDA leaders will meet the President to stake claim to form the government. The oath ceremony is likely to take place on June the 9th at 6 p.m. Accommodation requests for 7,000 to 8,000 people have been made for the oath-taking event, which will include prominent persons from various walks of life such as prominent doctors, artists, cultural performers and influencers.
सारे एमपी लोग को बोला गया है, सब लोग आ रहे हैं, सब लोग मिलेंगे, सारे लोग, सब लोगों से जो सलाह हो सकता है सब लोगों ने दिया है, उनको बताया है और बिहार की मजबूती के लिए और देश की मजबूती के लिए जो हो सकता है वो जनता दल यू मिलकर बीजेपी के साथ करेगी। बर्थ मांगने का काम तो कभी नीतीश कुमार जी ने किया नहीं, कभी वो इस तरह का गठबंधन के साथ कभी बार्गेनिंग तो करते नहीं है। जो हमारी प्रतिष्ठा है उस प्रतिष्ठा के हिसाब से सब जगह मिलेगा।
ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मोदी जी थर्ड टाइम इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। मीटिंग है, इसके लिए हम आ रहे हैं। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री भी आज आ रहे हैं। हमारे सांसद श्रीपाद जी वो कल लास्ट मीटिंग थी कैबिनेट की, इसके लिए आए थे, वो दिल्ली में।
Viewer Sabyasachi joins us now. Sabyasachi, what is the buzz ahead of this big meeting? Who are the NDA leaders who are already here? When are the others likely to come in? Tell us all about it.
Well, absolutely. See, some of the NDA leaders are currently here in the national capital and some would be reaching today. See, it's a very important day as far as the NDA meeting is concerned because on one hand, the BJP has called in for the parliamentary board meeting today where all the allies of the BJP would be present and simultaneously the allies are separately also holding a meeting today here in the national capital. Whether it is the JDU or Chirag Paswan, all of them are holding separate meeting today here in the national capital to chalk out the plans. See, as far as the sources are concerned, see, all the ally partners are chalking out their plans and they have put out their demands regarding the ministry that they would be wanting from the BJP. On the other hand, the BJP has indirectly sent out a signal that the big ministry like the finance, the defense, the external affairs, these ministry won't be given at any given cost. Whereas from the JDU sources, what we are picking is that the JDU would be looking towards the railway ministry as well as the agricultural and the Jal Shakti ministry from the state point of view. Meanwhile, see, all these leaders are completely tight-lipped about their demands that they would be putting forward. They have to say that their leadership only would be putting out this demand in front of the BJP, and today's meeting would be extremely crucial from the allies' point of view. See, as far as the support is concerned, the NDA partners already have given a written support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to form the government and he would be the Prime Minister. But now the focus has shifted on the distribution of the ministry. Now, how many ministries will the BJP keep and how many ministries it will give it to its alliance partners, the major ones like the JDU as well as the TDP.
Absolutely. Now, Sabyasachi, do stay with us. There is more in this story as well. The INDIA bloc is watching from a distance. They say they will make a move when the time is right. Let's listen in to Sanjay Raut.
मोदी जी बहुत बड़े नेता है, विश्व के नेता है। हम छोटे लोग हैं बहुत, उनके सामने इतने हम छोटे लोग हैं। वो तो विश्व गुरु है ना, वो तो देवपुत्र है, काशी पुत्र है। तो अगर उनके पास बहुमत भी नहीं है तो भी उनको अधिकार है सरकार बनाने का। राष्ट्रपति महोदय उनके है तो उनको सरकार बनाने। तो जैसे कोई बुजुर्ग होता है तो हम बोलते पहले आप भाई, पहले आप, तो पहले आप मोदी जी बनाइए।